Students, in class 11 we have third chapter trigonometric function and we are solving the problems on sum and difference of two angles. In that, example number 16 is prove that cos of 7x plus cos of 5x upon cos of 7x minus sin of 5x is equal to cot x. Now we have already studied the identities for this. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. And for sin x plus sin y, we have 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. Now if you use this identity for this, let's see what we get. Consider LHS. We are going to use these identities, so we have these identities. We are going to consider LHS is equal to cos of 7x plus cos of 5x upon sin of 7x minus sin of 5x is equal to here please consider first angle as 7x and second angle as 5x, so we will get 2 cos of 7x plus 5x upon 2, 7x plus 5x upon 2 into cos of 7x minus 5x upon 2, and at the denominator we will get 2 cos of again 7x plus 5x upon 2 into sin of 7x minus 5x upon 2. So please note here 2 eliminates with 2. We have cos of 7 plus 5 is 12x, 12x upon 2 is 6x into cos of 7x minus 5x is 2x, 2x upon 2 will cancel, we will get cos x upon at the denominator we will have again cos of 7x plus 5x 12x, 12x upon 2 is 6x, cos of 6x. This will be sin of 7x minus 5x is 2x, 2x upon 2 again 2 cancel, so we will get sin x. Please note here cos 6x and cos 6x gets eliminated. We have cos x upon sin x, and cos x upon sin x is nothing but cot x. So thus we have got LHS, we have solved LHS and we have reached up to RHS. Therefore we can write the result as cos of, hence or thus cos of 7x plus cos of 5x upon sin of 7x minus sin of 5x is equal to cot x. Kind request for all the students, these formulas are difficult to remember, so solve the problems repeatedly, and if you solve them 3-4 times, I feel these identities will be permanently remembered. Dear friends, next 17th question is prove that sin of 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos of 5x minus cos x. So watch carefully, this angle is 5x, this angle is x. So we will consider sin x plus sin y, this term as sin y and this as cos x minus cos y. Please note, by looking at the angles we are going to rearrange the terms. So this is solution for this is consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to sin of 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos of 5x minus cos x. So please look at the angles. By looking at the angles, this can be rearranged as sin of 5x plus sine of x minus 2 sine of 3x upon cos of 5x minus cos of 5x minus cos x. Dear friends, for this we have identity. For this we are going to use, for sin x plus sin y we have the identity. We have the identity sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cos of x plus y upon x minus y upon 2 and cos of x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2 sin into sin of x minus y upon 2. The LHS will be, LHS is equal to, left hand side is equal to 2 sin of, please try to understand, we are solving this bracket and using this identity. So 2 sin of, first angle is 5x, second angle is x, will get 5x plus x upon 2 into cos of 5x minus x upon 2 into minus 2 sin of 3x upon, at the denominator we are going to use the second identity, that is equal to negative 2 sin of x plus y is 5x plus x upon 2 into sin of 5x minus x upon 2. So this becomes 2 sin of 5x plus 6x, 5x plus x is 6x, 6x upon 2 is 3x. Cos of 5x minus x is 4x, 4x upon 2 is 2x. Minus 2 sin 3x upon minus 2, again 5x plus x, 6x upon 2 is 3x. 5x minus x is 4x, 4x upon 2 is 2x. Now see, this, because of this minus sign we cannot eliminate the terms. To eliminate the term, watch carefully, we have this 2 sin 3x and 2 sin 3x common. So we can take it outside the bracket. We'll get minus 2 sin 3x. Inside you will have only cos 2x. Cos 2x minus 1 upon minus 2 sin 3x. Sorry, this is positive. Minus 2 sin 3x into sin of 2x. So please note, this gets eliminated. 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x, but minus sign will be retained. So this is equal to minus cos of 2x minus 1. Cos of 2x minus 1 upon sin of 2x. Now from this again take the minus sign common, so you will have minus into minus, that is equal to minus, again take a minus sign, so you will have minus cos 2x plus 1. We can rearrange this, this minus into minus will become plus, and we will get this minus minus plus, you will get 1 minus cos 2x upon sin 2x. Now for 1 minus cos 2x we have 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Please note, angle becomes half. And for sin 2x we have the identity. For sin 2 theta we have 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is 2 sin x into cos x. So this becomes, LHS becomes, thus LHS is equal to 2 sin square x, numerator is 2 sin square x and denominator is 2 sin x cos x. So 2 eliminates with 2, one of the sin x at the denominator and one of the sin, this is sin square x, so one of the sin x at the numerator will get cut, only sin x upon cos x will be left, that is equal to sin x upon cos x, it means tan x. Now look at the RHS. RHS is tan x, so thus we were solving LHS and we have reached up to tan x, it means LHS is equal to RHS. Thus we can say that the result sin 5x, therefore hence we can say sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Hence the result.